Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play as Yoshi in Super Mario Odyssey. To begin, you'll first need to reach the Mushroom Kingdom, which becomes accessible after you complete the main story. Once there, make your way to the roof of Peach's castle, where you'll easily spot our green dinosaur friend. Simply throw Cappy at Yoshi to capture him, and you're all set to explore with his unique abilities, including his signature flutter jump. Yoshi brings a fantastic set of moves to your adventure. His flutter jump allows you to cover greater distances and reach higher platforms, giving you an edge in tricky areas. You can also use his incredibly long tongue to gobble up enemies, turning them into helpful coins, or to grab distant items. Don't forget to eat any fruit you find to restore your health with extra hearts. Finding Yoshi is straightforward once you've unlocked the Mushroom Kingdom. He's patiently waiting for you right on top of Peach's castle. Once you capture him with Cappy, you gain full control of his unique abilities. Take advantage of his flutter jump and tongue attacks to uncover secrets and collect power moons throughout the kingdom. He makes exploration much more dynamic. To truly master Yoshi, practice his flutter jump to navigate the most challenging platforming sections. Timing is key for maximum height and distance. His tongue isn't just for enemies. It's also excellent for grabbing coins or items that are just out of reach, saving you time and effort. And hey, while you're planning your next adventure, why not make meal prep easier? Check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.